Hands-on demos are a powerful way to show a client how hearing aids can benefit them in the real world. In this video, we'll be reviewing how to effectively demonstrate tap control in the clinic. For this, you will need a client, a Bluetooth-enabled smartphone or tablet, and what's really good is if you can actually use the client's device, and finally, a TV connector plugged into a television or tablet. When doing the demonstration, it's always a great idea to use the situations that the client has told you about while you've been taking the history. When you do this, it's more meaningful to the client, and they'll be able to see how this fits into their world. For example, do they struggle with hearing people on the phone? Do they have their TV volume outrageously loud at home? The first thing we need to do is make sure that the Phonak trial devices are programmed and paired to the smartphone. Another tip is, if you plan to demonstrate TV connector, make sure you go to the program options in AutoSense OS streaming programs and set TV connector behavior to manual with beep. For the first part of the demo, we'll be showing the client how to accept and end a call using tap control. First, we need to explain to the client how to double tap the hearing aids. Then, we'll have their family member or friend step into another room and call the client. As the family member is leaving to make the call, explain to the client that once they hear the ringtone, they can double tap either ear to accept the call. And then they should just speak normally, as if they had the phone next to their ear. For added drama, you can take the phone and move further away from their client. Tell the client to speak normally and let them have a conversation with their family member. Not only will they see how easy it is to answer the phone using tap control, but they can also experience the call quality of Paradise with their family member. Once the conversation has progressed, tell the client they can double tap the hearing aids again to end the call. Next, we can easily show them how to use their phone or tablet's voice assistant. Since we have a family member in the room, let's have the client send a text message to them. Simply instruct the client to double tap on the right hearing aid and ask to send a text message. Of course, we'll need to let the voice assistant know what message to send as well. Finally, let's demonstrate watching TV via tap control. This is a great way to demonstrate if you have a TV in the waiting room or clinic area. With the TV connector already connected to the television, simply have the client walk up and pair with the TV connector, and then double tap to activate the TV connector program. Demonstrating tap control is a quick and easy way to get clients excited about their new Paradise hearing aids. For more information about tap control, visit phonakpro.com or contact your local representative.